Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app payment guide. And in today's video, I'll show you how to make payment on Pinduoduo and at the same time how to make payment on 1688 to the Chinese supplier. Let me show you how. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to make payment on Pinduoduo and 1688. So recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and I decided to make this a video so everyone can see how we make payment on Pinduoduo and 1688. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp, and this particular contact right here reached out to me from all the way from Ghana for payment on Pinduoduo and 1688. So you can see my chart with them right here, and these are the other pictures, just like what you see right here. Now let's see how we make payment for this particular goods right here on Pinduoduo and 1688, just like what you see right here. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then I will go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. Then click on here to proceed to my cart. So all the product has been successfully added to carts, just like what you see on my WhatsApp. Next thing you want to do is to select them one after the other and proceed to checkout. So I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, and I'm paying for this, 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 and I'm paying for this. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, review everything, including the shipping address, just like what you see right here. Once you are satisfied with everything right here, next thing you want to do is to scroll down below right here and choose your means of payment. So in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and enter your payment password to complete the payment. Our payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make a screenshot of this part. Having made a screenshot, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to click on done. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. I have to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's find out. So you can see them all right here. Let's find out how you make payment on 1688. I'm going to exit from my Pinduoduo right here. I'll go ahead and open my 1688 right here. I've opened up my 1688. Click on here to proceed to my cart. Then here, select the product you want to pay for from your card. So I'm paying for this particular product right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the product. Having selected the product, click on here to proceed to checkout. Then here we go. We have it right here. Next thing I need to do is to scroll down right here and choose my means of payment. I'm going to go ahead and click on here. and I'm going with my Alipay. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Allow the Alipay to connect, then enter my payment password. Payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and make a screenshot of this part of payment proof. I'm going to click on here to close this bumper. And I need to click on here to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's find out. So you can see it right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to make payment for them. So I'm going to exit from here now and go to my WhatsApp right here. So here we go. Then I'll click on here now and send proof of payment to them. So this is for Pinduoduo, this is for 1688. So payment made for Pinduoduo and 1688. It's that simple. So you can see my child with this person's right here. And if this is exactly what you need, you want me to pay up supplier on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.